Welcome to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Foxwoods account, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step over here where it says search, you want to search for Foxwoods login just like this. After you search for it, the first option over here where it says login at Foxwoods, you want to click on it, and it's going to take you to the official login page of Foxwoods, which is going to look just like this. And over here where it says reward number, you want to enter your Foxwoods reward number. And where it says pin, you want to enter the pin code of your account. And then over here, click on I'm not a robot. Once you verify you're not a robot, just click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your Foxwoods account. It's that simple. And yeah, if you guys forgot your password, you can always click on this to recover it as well. So for those people who do not know what Foxwoods is a casino, alright? As you guys can see, it's a resort plus casino. So yeah, hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.